Hi guys, we're gonna be reacting to an ice cream truck video, another one. Alright, so here we go. So it's the hello one. Oh. Sorry, I was trying to do the beat like he just did on the car. Bum 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 bum.
Where's the ice cream truck? The picnic song with the Omni Music Box.
Yep, that's correct. That's the song. Let's fast forward it.
Stop. There he goes.
You know something? I wonder where Daisy's ice cream or where that depot is. I'm sure it's somewhere in Texas or wherever this is. Yeah, it's Texas. Okay. So yeah, that was a good one. Okay, bye guys.